Just soak it in. It's another beautiful day in my neck of the woods. We're gonna walk around and check out my TruGreen yard. Not much bad to say. The guy came and treated the yard really good the other day when he did my retreat. So I guess we ought to get up and walk around and take a better look at what we got to see. And I tell you what, she's pretty. I'm getting ready to mow this evening, or maybe even tomorrow. I've got it cut on 3 3/4 inches, but we'll get back around here and get started where we normally like to start. Check out this driveway. That was my project yesterday. But here we are, where we normally like to start. And as you can see, the stuff really isn't dying, but the guy come and soaked it down. But some of it is. But you would think after a week you'd see a little more signs of it dying out than what it is right now. But we'll give it another week before I call them back out. It'd probably piss that guy off. He was pretty pissed off because I had him come out here and work on the yard again. He couldn't figure out why he was out here working in my yard. Said, go back to Cookie's crib and check out the video Busted and you'll see, because the guy didn't finish my yard. He didn't do that area over there. He did about 20 feet of that right there. But either way, go check out the Busted. I've got the split screen showing where he did treat the whole yard probably about 6 weeks ago, and then where he didn't do the whole yard that day that got him busted. But I got a little bit of sour grass trying to come up, but that's not bad. I mean, damn, the yard's looking really good. It's really dark green, looking good in the neighborhood. That's all that matters. Got out here and pressure washed the house today. It's looking really good. It's that time of year to get off your ass and do stuff, especially when you've been cooped up so long because of this virus. Hope everybody's getting over it. You know, they want us to flatten the curve, but to flatten the curve, you're stretching it out. You don't see that? I mean, you're stretching it out. You just need to let nature run its course. So get off your ass, let everybody get back to work, let everybody put on a damn mask, and get back to life. But as you can see, there's not much to, I'm not even going to bitch about nothing really. I know, lightning's going to strike. It's looking pretty. I got to get out here and do some weed picking through my mulch beds and remulch. But I mean, look at her. She looks good. TruGreen's coming around. They're still receiving a lot of bad comments on their Facebook page and their Instagram page. I pretty much don't care for their Instagram page, but there's a lot of people upset with them. Looks like they do more to fix the problems. I don't know that they're not. They fix mine whenever I tell them to get their ass out here, they're out here. But I don't even think I'm gonna put bad comments on here today. I think I'm just gonna let you have a free ride and enjoy what you've seen. And I guess we just about have to say thanks for watching Cookie's Crib. Come back again next week when I post next week's video. We'll see if the yard won't look that much better. And I guess instead of saying Cookie's Crib out, If it's not a damn blade of grass, it's a weed. So catch you guys later. Cookie's Crib out. See you.